Hello and good morning everyone. Adam here at Canyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This morning I am going to show you a walk around startup and drive video of this 1979 Chevrolet Camaro. Now this car is a Berlinetta. This car features a V8 305 engine underneath the hood with an automatic transmission. This car has only 37,000 engine miles on it. It is super clean inside and out, underneath as well. Just a really nice 79 Camaro. It has power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning that's ice cold, red accent stripe down the sides of the car, around all the windows, and the front deck, front nose piece. Just a gorgeous car. The paint, body, and interior in this car are very nice. Super clean, super solid. Very nice inside the trunk, very nice in the inside of the car, the interior. All the glass in the car is in good shape. Maybe I got a few streaks in there from cleaning it, but I'm sorry about that. Glass. It looks great when you're inside. You go outside and you're like, then you see all the spots you missed. Anyway, that's kind of how it goes. Beautiful red interior, bucket seats, factory center console, automatic on the floor. Dash is in really good shape. It is a T-top car. T-tops are nice. The headliner's nice around them. I did wash this car. I don't see any signs of the T-tops leaking at all. The back seat's in very good shape as well. Looks nice. Side panels. Carpeting in the car is nice. Your jams. Reach over here, we'll fire it up. Your door panels are in good shape. Got your bottoms of your doors. I will put this car up on the hoist here after a bit and show you the undercarriage of the car. It's super solid as well. Headlights, left turn signal. As far as I know, it's got roof cylinder underneath the hood, original paint. The factory hood insulator is still there. At 37,000 miles, I'll read the odometer here so you get a second. Super nice car. Same with this side. Seats are in great shape. Tilt, cruise. Package tray back there is nice. 2 speakers in there, factory speakers. $37,846 miles. And yes, the air blows ice cold in this car. The wipers work. The only thing I see that doesn't work is the horn. I'm not sure, I have to check that out, but radio works. Cigarette lighter works. I'll shut it off here quick, and I'll show you the inside of the trunk. Then we'll take it for a cruise. The key is right there. Spare tire, T-top covers. There is a car cover for it. Some other paperwork. Camaro brochure from 1990, original owner's manual. There's a few other pieces of paperwork in there as well. We'll go ahead and take her for a little spin down the street, head back to the shop. air is ice cold. I really don't need that air this morning though. A little bit of a breeze. The tack is not working. Say the horn and the tack are like the only things I see on this car that don't work. You can see the paint, how nice and shiny the paint is. Looking out over the hood. The car drives nice, it rides nice, it's very tight. Not a lot of squeaks or rattles in the car. Whoever gets this car is going to be very satisfied with it. It's a really, really nice, clean, quality car. Going to price the car right down on the money. I'll have it priced here in a little while. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. Check us out on our website, www.kinyonauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory every day. So if you're interested in buying this 79 Camaro, give us a call, or maybe one of the other collector cars that we have in stock. We stock 125 to 150 classics, so give us a call, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you never miss another great quality collector car from Kenyon Classics. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll talk to you very soon.